What's up, Traeger Hood? Today, I get to announce our newest product. It's something we've never done before, and let me tell you, it's going to change the way you think about outdoor cooking. We're always looking for ways to enhance your cooking experiences, and I know we've tapped into something great here. From prepping to cooking to sharing your meal with family and friends, every gathering should be memorable with Traeger. It comes down to our mission of bringing people together to create a more flavorful world. There's nothing like those moments with friends and family, and there's nothing like a Traeger-made meal. The versatility you get with Traeger is unmatched. You can grill, smoke, bake, roast, braise, and barbecue. And today, we are expanding the menu by giving you a new outdoor cooking tool, the Traeger Flatrock. With our Flatrock, an all-new premium flat-top grill, you can explore new flavor frontiers by finding new ways to enhance everyday recipes. Pancakes, stir-fry, steak, and my personal favorite, smash burgers. You name it. The Flatrock is here to expand your cooking horizons. As we develop this product, we talk to countless consumers about what you cook and how you cook it. At the end of the day, what we heard is that you want to create more experiences with the people you love on a Traeger. Epic meals are made with a Traeger, and now every meal can be made with Traeger. As we looked at the market and spoke with our community, we saw a real need for a premium flat-top grill that, just like our wood pellet grills, ensures you get incredible results while having a great time cooking. The Traeger Flatrock opens up a whole new menu of foods to complement your favorite wood pellet grill dishes. From flipping flapjacks in the morning to sizzling fajitas for dinner, the Flatrock brings out the best in every meal. We're all about providing unrivaled flavor. The Flatrock does that by allowing your veggies and steaks to saute and sear in everything from butter to a more complex rosemary-infused oil. Nothing gives me more joy than bringing together a full meal for the family. On Saturday mornings, I'll have dozens of pancakes ready to flip, strips of bacon to fry, and eggs to scramble. Simply put, the Flatrock makes cooking fun. We spared no expense on the quality of the Flatrock, and we know you've come to expect that from Traeger. With a 5-year limited warranty and high-quality powder-coated steel back guarantee, you can be sure the Flatrock is built to last. One of the things I really like about the Flatrock is the room you have to prep and stage your dishes. 2 extra large folding shelves make that possible. Plus, the hinged lid helps protect your cooking surface while it's not in use, and it props behind your grill, acting as a backsplash to protect your patio from grease stains. It's all about having the best possible time cooking on a flat-top grill. But let's get into what makes a Flatrock truly unique. There are 4 major benefits that make the Flatrock the most advanced flat-top grill on the market. First, precision. The Flatrock isn't just great because it has different cooking zones, but because it features our in-house designed True Zone cooking areas, which are separated with a heat shield. With True Zone, high heat in one zone doesn't bleed into another, so you can sear your steak on high, cook your veggies on medium, and warm your tortillas on low. Everything will be perfectly cooked and ready all at once. Many flat-top grills on the market speak to separate cook zones, but few deliver, and certainly none in this price range. I talk a lot about perfectly cooked Traeger-made food, and that's because of the consistency we can offer in your cooks. With any flat-top grill, even temperature is a key component. We tested a dozen flat-top grills on the market, and every single one had hot and cold spots, burning some food while leaving other items uncooked. We've solved this problem by using a system of stainless steel U-burners. They essentially double the flame coverage for each burner, leaving you free to use every square inch with even cooking across the cooktop. And while you're cooking up a spread, the efficient design of Flatrock makes it so heat stays right where it should be. That's thanks to our thoughtful flame lock construction, which recesses the cooktop inside the cook cavity, locking in the heat and blocking out the wind. Unlike most standard griddles that raise their cooktop an inch or two and allow the heat to be pushed around the grill with the smallest breeze. With our flame lock construction, your food will cook faster and you'll use less propane. Last, I want to talk about control. The Flatrock lets you stay on top of your cooks and fuel levels with a built-in fuel gauge that shows how much propane is left in the tank. Instead of getting left with a half-cooked meal and a completely empty tank, you'll be able to stay on top of it and never run out of fuel unexpectedly. This grill is simply amazing. It has truly expanded my style of cooking, and it has made me feel like a complete rock star of a chef. The results are unreal. I've had the best time making meals for my family and friends. We hope you have a great time exploring new flavor frontiers with us. Thanks for tuning in and keep Traegering.